Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and this is your November 2018 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit is 2 new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments that come out every month. Along with the kit you're going to get 2 recipe cards for double page layouts, one for each one of the collections designed by the design team. So it will include a color photograph of the layout and then cutting and assembly instructions for you. You'll also find a wide range of examples of the design team and your fellow subscribers' creations that they've made with their kits. So be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to see all of the inspiration using this month's kit. So this month you're going to receive Simple Stories Forever Fall and American Crafts collection Whimsical by Paige Evans. So as you can tell, it is 2 gorgeous collections. This is definitely one kit you do not want to miss out on. So let's take a closer look at each one of these. First up, from Pink Paisley and Paige Evans' Whimsical collection, the cardstock you're going to get is 1 sheet of white cardstock and 2 sheets of wild berry. The pattern paper includes paper number 23, which is this gorgeous design with these little partial circles done in a circle. So there's also a cut file I know that Paige Evans has created that looks a lot like this. So this just took all of that work out of it for you. You can simply use this for your background. The back side is a beautiful 2-toned blue with a small floral print. The full branding strip, which is more of those circles on the back side. Then page 10 is this stripe design with the different colors and this zigzag stitching over the top of it. So Paige Evans is known for hand stitching on all of her collections and all of her layouts. So if you're not one to spend a lot of time stitching, then she's done everything for you by printing it. But if you do enjoy stitching, then you can just stitch right over the top of that for some added gorgeousness. The back side is an ombre yellow. It's going from light to dark. Then you'll also receive page 14, which are these beautiful florals in all the different colors. Back side is a horizontal stripe in a 2-tone pink. So that is your pattern paper. It's just gorgeous. For your embellishments, you're going to receive 1 sheet of the stickers. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that was in mine. Lots of little word labels and some little pieces that you could use like washi, and then icons and words. And there's even this beautiful copper foiling. Then you're going to receive a tassel paper clip. Those will vary among the kits as well. And some puffy little flowers. So the enamel shapes will vary, but this is what was in my kit, and there's 3 different colors of flowers in there. So that is Pink Paisley's Whimsical. A gorgeous collection that you could scrap so many different photos with. Next, from Simple Stories, we have Forever Fall. This is a fun, gorgeous collection. I love the colors in this. I love the burnt orange. And this color here is just a really deep, deep denim blue. It almost is black, but not quite. So for the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of craft and 1 sheet of crawfish. For your pattern paper, this first one's called Happy Fall, and it has these gorgeous acorns in the patterned papers that you're going to find throughout this collection, and the background is a text on a cream colored background, so hopefully you can see that. The back is a black and white stripe, and it has that same text faintly printed on the background. This one called Gather Together, and it's a large plaid, and again that text running throughout. The back is that burnt orange with the little fern leaves. And then the small floral print here called Give Thanks. This one is simply gorgeous. And the back is a geometric design in aqua blue. You can tell, just love the colors in this collection. For the embellishments, you're going to get half a pack of the bits and pieces. So all of these scrumptious die cuts. There's tags and labels and fall icons. Just so many cute things. As well as a roll of washi tape. So all of your embellishments will vary, but this is the one that I received. It's a diagonal stripe in that gorgeous color scheme. So that is Simple Stories Forever Fall. Perfect for all of your fall outings. Here's one more look at your 2 collections in this month's Double Shot Kit. If you're not already a subscriber to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and also the bell so that you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Be sure to check out all the other kits available through the Scrap Room. If 2 collections are not enough for you, we have the Flavors of the Month, which includes 4 new collections, so be sure to check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.